Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video we will go through how to set up a communication between a Mitsubishi FX3U Ethernet module and a Weintek HMI. I have already made a project with some programming and global labels in my main task. To export our tags to the HMI, we want to go to the global label list. Then we right-click on Global 1 and click on Write to CSV file. We then choose a map we want to save the file in. Now let's do the HMI side of things. First, choose the correct HMI you are using. Then in the system parameter settings we want to add our PLC. To do so we click on New Device. Then we choose the correct device type. Under the Mitsubishi Electric Corporation tab, we choose Mitsubishi FX3U Ethernet. We then want to click on Settings and change to the Ethernet module's IP address. If you want to know how to set the IP address of the module, you can check out my other tutorial. I will add it in the description. Next we want to add the tags to the project. To do so we click on the Import Tags button. Then we click on Browse and find the map we added our exported tags list to. Then click on Open and Import. Here we get to choose which tags we want to add from the file. It will tell us if the tag's been imported successfully. Now we can start designing our HMI. To add an object we can choose from the menu here. I am gonna add a setBit button to my screen. On attribute I will choose momentary because I want the button to only trigger when it's pushed. We then get to choose which memory bit it should write. We can choose a tag from our imported tags from the tag library. I will then go to the Label tab and add a label on my button. I will make the button a little bigger, then copy and paste two more of them. And add the memory bit I want to have them triggering. I will now add a numeric display for my counter. At the Read-Write menu we can choose which word or integer tag we want the counter to read from. We also need to change the address type to the correct type. I will change the format to just two numbers since I am only gonna make it count up to 50. Next I will add a bit lamp to the screen and choose one of my lamp as the reading tag. I will add one more lamp for the other button and add the correct tag. If we go to the Shape tab, we can choose which color we want our lamp to be flashing. For this one I will choose yellow color for the flashing. Now the last thing to do is to download the project to the HMI. If we go to the Project tab, we will find Download PC to HMI. It will ask us to save the project. Here we can select our HMI IP address. Then we simply click on Download. I will now monitor the main block in GXWorks 2 and test the HMI connection out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.